Hello, I have for you Empties from the month of July, so I'm gonna make it start. Female wipes, they do the job. I use them many times, and yeah, for sure I'm gonna repurchase. I have the makeup remover wipes from Neutrogena. I do enjoy them. However, I do enjoy them. They take all makeup, the regular and the waterproof. However, there are many dupes, and some of the dupes are as good as this. Caprina body wash, that's the goat milk body wash. Goat milk is good for all skin types, all problems. I recently make a video, so I'm gonna tag it so you can easily watch it. But yes, I did enjoy it and I don't mind rebuying it again. From the same brand but a different collection, we have the Nature. It's a lotion. I did like it. It has a nice pleasant smell. It leaves your skin nice and supple and hydrated. Another lotion, that's the Shea body lotion. If your skin is dry, this one is really good because it also comes with shea butter, but I'm sure there were 4 other different ones. Yeah, shea butter, marula oil, and oat milk extract. It is really hydrated, so if your skin is extremely dry, give it a try because you have nothing to lose. Palmer's is really affordable brand. We have a goat milk face serum for the face, neck and décolleté. It was a nice creamy serum. I didn't mind it. I believe I still have a couple bottles as a backup. Vitamins from the OLLY brand. That's the vitamin D. Because it's a chewy, or I should say, yeah, it's gummy. Because it's chewy, you can easily pop it in and you don't have to use it with a water. It's just convenient. Okay, the Meyer's hand soap. This one smells it's supposed to be radish scent, but it doesn't even smell like that. It's a nice pleasant smell, and in general Meyer's has nice hand soap. It's more of a, I'm not gonna call it organic, but it's more natural brand. I'm waiting for I believe it's a cranberry one, which comes around Thanksgiving time. Now, this was given to me. I have face mask and body scrub. Now, even though this product is full, I'm gonna get rid of it because it didn't do too much of it, and sorry, there's nothing special about it. From the same company, I have this. That's the charcoal scrub, which is supposed to be for face and body. I use it once and I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna put a short clip. Why? But I didn't use it on my face. I decided to use it on my body, and only after one use my skin was really irritated, and I think the scrub is or charcoal, whatever thing was it really damaged my skin. So you're gonna see a clip of it. This thing goes this. Alright, keep going with the Empties. That's the Biore pore strips. I use them for the next one. Is the Biore pore strips. I use them for many years and I don't mind them. They're nice. Then we have the grapefruit body butter, which is supposed to be a butter, but it was more of a thicker lotion. It smells like pure grapefruit. I did enjoy it. It's supposed to be cellulite, but it was more hydrating. But yeah, I didn't mind it. Then we have hair mask from Suave. That's their almond and shea butter. This one it's with almond and shea butter. I did like it. It hydrates my hair and make them nice and soft. Unfortunately, you cannot buy this anymore. At least I cannot find it either online or in the stores. But you can still buy shampoo and conditioner from the same line. You know what? I'm gonna empty it to make it a little bit easier. Okay, those are the items which I have left. Let me just make the camera a little bit stable. Here we go. Okay, I already get rid of those. However, but okay, that's the Revlon lash curler. I tried to get rid of it, but I decided to put a new, I know, spongy, and sorry, it doesn't work for me. Now, if you look at it, this one, it's kind of flat. The one which was here previously was rounded, so it worked better for my eye shape, but this one, unfortunately, it didn't do the job, so I'm gonna get rid of it and just buy a new ones. Okay, next product is the Clarins eye makeup remover. This one, it's a it has 2 layers, so you have to shake it. It's clean and then blue, so once you shake it, you put it on a cotton pad and remove it. It takes the waterproof makeup beautifully. Next is the small sample size of the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Moisturizer. I did have a full size, also have a couple of the small sizes, and I do like it. Honestly, it's a really good moisturizer, and if I remember right, one of the ingredients is niacinamide, yes. So here we go. It's a good product, and I already have a full size of it. Aqua, it's Misha's. Next one is Misha eye cream from their Super Aqua line, which is a hydrating line. Now, because the tube is so big, it's 1 ounce, it took me forever to finish it. Pretty much, I almost use it, and because I get so much product and it's an eye cream, I finish it up using as a face cream. But yes, it was really nice and I did enjoy it. So now if you can get on a Misha webpage and check out their Super Aqua line, you won't be disappointed, and their prices are kind of affordable. Next we have a sample of the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. That was the Atelios. Now, even though it's a small sample, it's very liquidy, and I could use it at least like 5 times on my face. I didn't mind it, and I don't mind rebuying it again. Okay, I finished up the L'Oreal Hydro Genius. So for the normal and dry skin, comes in a glass bottle with a pump. So it's a gel moisturizer, which is nice for the summer, but because it's such a huge size, come on, what is the, no, it was a big one, come on, here we go. It's a 3 ounce bottle, 90 ml. It took me a while to use it, so so afterwards I was just forcing myself to use it. Now, I don't mind this one. Now, if you're just looking some affordable moisturizer, this one is perfect. However, I'm not gonna repurchase it for right now because I have many to go through. We got the Peter Thomas Roth retinol pads. I got this one in a set. It was one of the, I bought it in a set when it was on sale on Macy's. It's quite good though, like I didn't mind it because it has many other ingredients and you just use the pad at night and it is kind of powerful. Yes, I did enjoy it. I think I have one more left, and if it's gonna be on sale, I don't mind rebuying it again. Okay, this is the small travel size of the OLLY Anti-Aging Moisturizer, the Total Effect. Come on. To my surprise, or I should say I was pleasantly surprised, and I did enjoy it, and I don't mind rebuying it again. There are a few claims on it. Here we go, vitamin C, E. Even if I could look at the ingredients, I know one of them, yeah. And similar as with the La Roche-Posay, it's niacinamide. Niacinamide, it's a good ingredient, and you're gonna see it in many products. let's say someone can claim, or let's say company is gonna claim, oh, this, for example, company is gonna claim, oh, this is a new moisturizer, it's anti-aging, it's gonna improve and all that. Technically, they give you miracle claims, but most of the time, one of the first ingredients is niacinamide, because it does work. And in this case, you have glycerin, which is humectant, and niacinamide. And I'm sure I'm going to find a few other good ingredients. But yes, I did enjoy it, and I have a full size of it. Next one is the finishing spray from Wet n Wild. I didn't mind it. It's a nice product. It's affordable. It comes in a nice, I don't know, handy container. Product left. I have few items left. Here we go. That's the Gentle Foaming Cleanser from Clarins, and yes, it is gentle. It works as a cleanser. It gives you a little bit of foam. It's fine if you're looking something not irritating. That's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel. As a cleanser, it did work. With the hyaluronic acid, I'm not gonna go for the claim because the hyaluronic acid is as the last ingredients, and also you have to wash it off. So the hyaluronic acid, it's not long enough on your face to do even anything, so you cannot believe those claims. But as a cleanser, it was really nice. One is the goat milk hand cream from Ziaja. I did enjoy it. It has a nice pleasant smell, and it's very light, so not greasy. And yeah, I already have backup of it. The Avalon Serum with Vitamin C. I borrowed it because of vitamin C, but it works more as a serum. If you I bought this because of vitamin C, but vitamin C, or I should say the ascorbic acid, it's somewhere in the middle of the inky list, so it didn't give you the same benefits as the Paula's Choice, Pixie, or some other ones. However, as a serum itself, it's nice, so if you're not sure where you want to start, this is not bad. Then we have the L'Oreal mascara, the false fiber lash. I'm gonna show you brush to it. Okay, if you can tell, or if you can see at the end of the bristle, yeah, that's where the fibers are. It wasn't bad, I didn't mind it, but I have many mascaras to go through. Now, fibers mascara are nice in case if you don't want your mascara to smash. Like this one was waterproof, but I did enjoy it. Okay, this is a mask remover, so pretty much it's like a sponge which you have to run underneath the water, and once it's wet you're gonna take off the mask. This one it's a little bit rip off. I could still use it, but I have a few more, so I'm gonna just toss this one away. This is the concealer from Clarins. Finally, I use it up so I can let it go. It wasn't bad, but for sure, it wasn't bad, but there are more affordable options, so no, I will not repurchase it. I have two more items. That's another Toleriane from La Roche-Posay. Okay, that's the hand cream from Evelyn Cosmetics. It's fine. Apparently, it has like, it deals with 7 different things with your, I don't know, hand problems. It was fine during the winter time because after I put it in, after I apply on my hands, I put the gloves, so I was just going straight to bed. But now it's warm, and when I'm putting this on, the vanilla smell, it's so strong. I can easily smell it, I don't know, from like 2 feet away. So that's the reason why I'm gonna toss it. I believe there's like still half of it left, but sorry, I cannot stand the fragrance. So this one is a bye-bye product. Empties for the month of July. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I see you guys next video. Bye.